We've had a bell ringing tradition at Black Diamond from inception. It used to just be a bell that if we signed a big deal, anybody would just go up and ring, and we could all hear it and know that we secured another win. Now we use it as an opportunity to gather together and celebrate some of the wins. Bells throughout history have been used to signify important events or celebrations. We can all share in the success because here at Black Diamond, we say we. It is a team, it is a company, and we celebrate success.